unboxing the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset. If you guys want to check this out, Amazon links below, but let's get into this. I have to be honest, I'm not a huge Turtle Beach fan. I just don't really love their designs, but I review everything objectively, so let's see how this headset is. We've got a small paper cardboard box for probably like the manuals and stuff. I'm dropping everywhere. Yeah, so these are all like the manuals, warranty cards, little Turtle Beach logo, sticker thingy, yeah, okay. And then we've got, let's take out the little dongle. It's a small little dongle, and I think that this actually looks really good. For a dongle, the logo is very minimal, and I like that little LED light, which is a little indicator. I think this is very attractive. But let's get to the headset itself. Taking the plastic off. Ooh, I like the design here. Now, initially, I will say I like the design a lot. I think it's very, very cool looking. There's a lot of angles going on. I do like how it comes around to like the back or the front of this headset. It's very unique. It's got a lot of lines right there. Is that, okay, so that's the adjustment, but I do like how it looks, how it's angled there. I think that looks really good. Swivel arms right there. Everything is plastic. Everything here is plastic. And it does feel a little cheap. Like that's the thing I always get from Turtle Beach headsets. They always just feel a little cheap. This one definitely does not feel extremely cheap. This is around $89, and it feels kind of like a $50, $45 headset. These are very firm, and it's not memory foam. It's kind of a stiffer, it pops right back. That'll be interesting to see how good that is. Now, the mic here is this, that's interesting. That's a funny little, it's non-adjustable. This is stiff in place. It's either out or it's in. Also, the adjustments feel kind of like you're breaking it when you're putting it back in place. You can listen here. It makes like one here and then one there before it goes back into place. Kind of interesting. I do like how this moves though. You can see that is the adjustment, which is kind of cool. Now the top band is like a leatherette, and it's also pretty firm. I'm interested to see how these are. Again, not the biggest fan of Turtle Beach, and I don't know if this is doing much. I do like this silver accent. It's like a brushed silver accent. I do think it looks quite nice, but even stuff like you can see, it's like not quite perfect. It's kind of like dipped in a little bit more here. I don't know if that's just from packaging, but Turtle Beach never screams quality to me. But again, sound quality trumps everything most of the time. Lastly, in the box, we've got a pretty fat USB-C to USB Type-A, and not a very long cable, interestingly enough. I mean, that's, for a headset cable, I mean, it's only that long, so you're definitely not gonna be charging this with this cable while wearing it. Overall, I'm super interested to see how this is. One of the things I can tell you right away is I do like how firm that is. See, it'll stay in place everywhere, which is pretty nice. I do like that actually quite a lot. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see how comfortable these are, and then sound quality will definitely be very interesting. But yeah, again, if you want to check it out, Amazon links below. This is Consumer Tech Review High Speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.